Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you the product details of quick revision batch of the subject of strategic cost management and performance evaluation of CA final new syllabus. Is that okay? Because this product is now ready, so I'm sharing the details with you. If you remember, some of you, those who had seen my previous video around a month before, I had promised you that I am working on this product which will help you to quickly revise before the exam. So that is this product which is ready. Those who are seeing this video for the first time, I will introduce myself. I am CA Rakesh Agrawal, a faculty from Pune who teaches this subject. So friends, let's go. So dear student friends, I am very happy to share this video with you because the much awaited product is now ready from my side. This video will provide you the necessary information. It will just provide you the necessary information for taking your buying decision. See, I want to be very plain and honest in telling you what is covered in this product and what is not covered in this product, so that there should not be any expectation gap. And with this information which I am going to provide you, now you can go ahead and take your own decision. First of all, this product is available for sale only on our website, that is official website, which is with my name only, www.carakeshagrawal.in. Please mind it well, it is .in and not .com, right? carakeshagrawal.in. And nowhere else. This quick revision product is available only on our official website and nowhere else. So if you want to buy it only from this website, right? If you go to this website, if you visit this website and scroll down a little, you will find the course category. And in the course category, you have to select the CA final new syllabus. Once you go inside, after clicking on CA final new syllabus from the course category, you will find this product. Don't worry. And you can buy online from there. Now, key highlights of this product. First of all, it is recorded in 100% English. Okay, because there is a demand from some section of the students that we don't understand Hindi or a mixture of Hindi and English. So I have recorded it fully in English. You must have noticed my regular batches are also recorded in 100% English. So to continue with the same tradition, I have recorded this quick revision batch also in 100% English. Now I have used PPT presentation, that is PowerPoint presentation, while recording this batch, like I am using now also. Now why I had to do this? Because if I start writing, it will consume a lot of time. Or if I start referring the regular notes or tell you to open the module and then explain from here, it would have taken or consumed more time. So whatever I wanted to cover in this quick revision batch, I prepared PPT, and that is why it took some time for me. I had to select the contents to be used in PPT, prepare it, do some animation in it, right? So I have prepared the PPT presentation to record this batch, quick revision batch, which you will notice how I'm teaching in this batch in our demo lecture. I'll talk about it little later. Now, it is available, this product is available only in cloud mode, that is through Google Drive. There is no pen drive for this product, mind it well. Now you will say, why not? Because the moment we have something, some pen drive or some printed notes, then we have to incur the dispatch cost, packing, dispatch, courier cost, and that increases the cost. So in order to keep the cost of this product lower, we are offering this product only in cloud mode. So you should have internet connectivity to download the lectures. I think we have already using a software, we have compressed the lectures. The total lecture size of all the lectures would be hardly 3 GB, right? Total size of the lecture is hardly 3 GB. So I don't think you will have a big problem in downloading those lectures through internet. So it is only in cloud mode, no pen drive, no dispatches, no courier. No physical copy of any notes will be provided, right? Nothing physical will be provided. However, you will get a password protected ebook ebook containing the same matter which I have used in PPT. See, as I am going to show you the PPT presentation, the same PPT slides which I am using for my quick revision batch, same slides I have converted into a PDF file, and that PDF file is encrypted in RioPlay 2, the software which you use for viewing the lecture. And that PDF file will open in the same RioPlay 2. Please remember, the same RioPlay 2 from where you will view the video lecture. In same RioPlay 2, you will find at one place to open the option to open the PDF file. So you have to go to that option where it says to open the PDF file, and going to that option, and then you have to select the PDF file, and then file will open. I hope you are getting it. It means it is a password protected file which will open in RioPlay 2 with your same product key with which you can open the video lectures. So same product key which you will use for your video lectures, the same key you will use for viewing the PDF file. And nothing extra you are going to get in the PDF file. The same PDF file is the same containing the PPT presentation. Now then, when and where it can be used? Suppose this product has expired, you have consumed the views, but you still want to revise from what I had discussed in my PPT presentation. So same PPT presentation you can open in your PDF file and you can revise it for yourself, right? It will also work as your brief notes. Generally, I tell the students in the regular batch to prepare their self-made brief notes, point-wise notes. So you can say this PDF file is nothing but the point-wise notes, ready notes for you, brief notes for you. Now in my PPT presentation, there are total 435 slides. Like this page which is in front of you is one slide. So there are total 435 slides. So you'll have in PDF file 435 pages, right, of my same PPT presentation. So there are around 435 slides in that PPT presentation as well as same PDF file. Is that clear, my dear friends? This will open through your software only, right? And this file will also expire with the product. When the product expires, this PDF file will also expire. That is, ebook will also expire, right? Now we are allowing 1.5 times view for each lecture. This time we are allowing 1.5 times view. It means if the lecture is of 1 hour duration, you can view it up to 1.5 hours, means 50% extra. So once you finish the entire viewing, if you want to view it second time, you can view 50% only extra, and this viewing time extra 50% is provided with every lecture. Okay. And the validity of this product is 6 months. We have kept the validity of this product as 6 months because it's a quick revision batch. So these are the main changes. Regular batch, the parameters were different. This quick revision batch, you have 1.5 times view and you have 6 month validity. I expect or I pray God that you clear in the first attempt only. But in case if you want to view it again in the second attempt, that is after the expiry of 6 months, then unfortunately you'll have to again buy this product. Though I wish that you should get through in the same attempt. MRP of this product we have kept very low, that is just rupees 1,200, and this 1,200 includes GST at the rate of 18%. So this the product is very low priced as compared to your regular batch if you see. So just 1,200 is the retail price including GST. Now total recording duration which I calculated. So total recording duration is around 18 hours approximately. Total duration, and this total duration is spread over 22 lectures. I have recorded this quick revision batch over 22 lectures. I hope you are getting it. So each lecture has a different duration because I had set the target how much I am going to cover in every lecture. So after that much coverage I stopped. So you can say the minimum duration of the lecture could be around 30 minutes. Minimum I'm saying, and the maximum duration could be around 70 minutes of some of the lecture. 70-75 minutes could be maximum duration of a single lecture, and minimum duration would be approximately 30 minutes. But all 22 lectures together, the duration is 18 hours. Now how these 18 hours will help you, this information will help you. I'll discuss it later on, or I'll discuss it right now. See, in between your 2 exams or 2 papers, you can easily watch these lectures because you will have 18 hours between 2 papers of your exam. I'll discuss it next later on. Now please remember, no practical questions or case studies are covered here, because practical questions have to be solved, right? And I'm using just PPT presentation here. And the practical questions are already covered in your regular batches. Case studies are already covered in regular batches. If I try to do it here, it would have increased the duration and it would have increased the cost. So therefore, no practical questions are covered, no case studies are covered. However, some examples are used to explain the concepts. Basically, my target here in quick revision batch was to touch upon all the concepts once again, which you might have forgotten. So it's revising quickly what you have already done. Some extra information I am providing you. A PDF file containing the lecture-wise details. A PDF file containing lecture-wise details and the duration of each lecture is available on our website. It's available on our website at actually 2 places. One is under the student corner. Also, I have placed this file under the student corner on our website, and near the product itself. When you'll go to buy that product, below that product you will find a table containing key highlights. In that there is an attachment PDF file. If you click that file, you can download, you can get it printed. I'll just show you that PDF file, because that PDF file explains what is covered in it. On the contrary, I wish that you should first go through that PDF file, which is, as I said, available already on our website. View what I have covered in the quick revision batch. If you are happy with the contents of PDF file, then you may go for buying. So what I'll do, I'll just take you to that PDF file once. Just see what I have covered in the PDF file and how it is. This is the PDF file which you can download and print at your end. The CA Final SCMP quick revision batch, lecture wise details. For example, day 1. I'm starting first lecture or day 1 with chapter 6. The chapter 6 was the same chapter with which we started in regular batch. So I have discussed or I have recorded these lectures in the same sequence in which we studied it in our regular batch. Please remember. And chapter 6 is decision making. In the first lecture, what I have covered: elements of cost, cost sheet format, division of cost for marginal costing, behavior of cost, that is CBP analysis, relevant and irrelevant cost, use of cost BP in decision making. And the duration in hours, minutes, seconds is 1 hour, 5 minutes and 27 seconds. This is day 1 or lecture 1. Then day 2, that is lecture 2. I am continuing with chapter 6. In second lecture, you will find what I have covered is make or buy decision, key factor concept with example, use of LPP technique in decision making, and absorption costing versus marginal costing. The duration of this lecture is 41 minutes 37 seconds. Okay. Third lecture, I have again continued with chapter 6. I have covered opportunity cost concept with example, minimum pricing decision, ethical and non-financial considerations, activity based CBP analysis, calculation of BP under ABC, that is activity based costing, and learning curve theory with example. The duration is 51 minutes 56 seconds and so on. So because you can find it on the website, I'm not taking you here details, and this is so on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Coverage in every lecture is already been mentioned here. I'm just taking you till end, that is there are total 22 lectures. This 22nd lecture ends with chapter 9, that is divisional transfer pricing. This is what is covered. Record duration is 59 minutes 43 seconds. Total duration is 17 hours 52 minutes 52 seconds. 17 hours 52 minutes 52 seconds, that is approximately 18 hours. Is that okay, my dear friends? This is available on website. You go through it. If you find that I have covered the content sufficiently well, right, in this quick revision batch, and these are helpful to you, then you may go for buying. So we'll return back to our PPT presentation, my dear friends. The first lecture of this quick revision batch is already uploaded on YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel starts with my name only, CA Rakesh Agrawal, Pune. So on our YouTube channel, you'll find the first lecture, first full lecture I have uploaded, full lecture. That was of 1 hour 5 minutes around. Full lecture I have uploaded. And the link is provided on our website only near the product. So when you go to buy the product, you'll find near the product or just below the product, you'll find the YouTube link. You can watch the lecture from there itself. Or you can separately go to YouTube channel and watch this lecture. First full lecture is available there so that you can understand the style of teaching, the extent of coverage, explanation, and then you can decide what to do, right? Whether to buy not to buy. So first full lecture is uploaded as a demo lecture on our YouTube. I request you to go through both the above. Both the above means this PDF file which tells you what is covered and the first demo lecture on YouTube. So I request you to go through both the above so that you will get a fair idea of the coverage in this quick revision batch. After going through both, you will take a decision. Now, it is not a substitute to regular batch. Means this quick revision batch is not at all a substitute to regular batch. Why I am telling you this? If any student buys this product just because it is cheap, right, and without studying the regular batch, right, naturally it won't be any use, or it won't be any much use to you or helpful to you. But this batch is surely a supplement to regular batch. So this quick revision batch is not a substitute to regular batch, but it is a supplement to regular batch. If you have done the regular batch with me, very nice, nothing like it. Even if you have done with some other faculty, but you have covered the syllabus once fully, then you may think of buying this quick revision. Or you have done the self-study fully at home, A to Z. What I want to say is, once you should have covered your entire syllabus, then you can go for this quick revision batch. And if you have done it with me, nothing like it. All because you are habituated of my teaching style. Right? So it is important, it is not a substitute. Quick revision is not a substitute to regular batch, but it is a supplement to regular batch. This quick revision batch is expected to act as a booster dose just before the exam, right? In the last video, I had said funnily that I am trying to find the vaccine for you, which can help you to clear the exam. So this is the booster dose for you, which may help you to clear the exam. Nobody can guarantee the success, because even if we appear for the exam again, we are not sure whether we will clear the CA exam again. Right? No chartered accountant in India will dare to appear for the exam again. Anyway, but it will help you to revise. Now you get around 45 hours between the two exam papers, because there is 1 day holiday and your paper gets over. Generally your timing of the paper is 2 to 5 p.m. generally what I remember. So 5 p.m. you get free, 1 day gap in between, 24 hours, and then next day again 2 o'clock you have a paper. So you get 45 hours in between two exam papers, and this batch has 18 hours of recorded duration. So either you can plan to watch these lectures in between, I mean just before the exam, or sufficiently before the exam. Choice goes to you. Now doing revision from self-made notes is always best, because those notes you have made yourself. So you have applied your mind. I generally stress upon this in the regular batch, that please make your self-made notes in points form so that it will help you to do the revision. So doing revision from your own self-made notes is always best. Then for whom this product is? This product is for those who couldn't do it, right? Those who shy away from making their self notes, or couldn't get the time to do it, right? Whatever the reason could be. So those who couldn't do it on their own, for them, I have done it for you here, right? If you could do it on your own, nothing like it, right? Because that you will apply your mind in making the self-made notes. So that itself will act as a revision. Now, if anyone wish to revise practical questions, because I have not covered practical questions, or anyone wish to revise case study or theory discussion of their own choice, because some students may feel that they are weak in a particular chapter, or they had skipped it earlier, they want to revise that. So if anybody wish to revise either practical questions or case studies or a particular theory discussion from regular batch, then the best option is something else. Then this is not the best option. The option is you should go for a key renewal, again available only on our website. This key renewal option is available only on our official website. So if you wish to revise anything from your regular batch, go to key renewal of your existing product. This key renewal works only for those who had already purchased the regular batch video lectures. So of your existing product from our website, we provide two options in key renewal. Those who are interested in revising just before the exam, they can go for 3 days key renewal, a very economical option on our website. And those who want some more time to revise, for them there is another option available, that is 1 month key renewal. So on our website we provide two options, 3 days key renewal and 1 month key renewal. In 3 days key renewal, your regular batch video lectures will get extended by 3 days, and in 1 month key renewal, your regular batch lectures, the validity will get extended by 1 month. This key renewal is available only after expiry of the product, because up to expiry you can already view your existing product. After expiry you can exercise these options. But the best part of it is in key renewal you can revise anything of your choice. I said, right, anything of your own choice. Whatever you wish to revise from your regular batch, whichever chapter, whichever question, whichever case study, you can revise anything of your own choice in key renewal, because your own original product, existing product gets extended. So if you want to revise as per your own choice, go for key renewal. If you want to revise as per my choice, which I have selected for you to revise, then go for this product, that is quick revision batch. So quick revision is revision as per my choice. Key renewal is revision as per your choice. Now some disclaimers. It was very challenging for me to fulfill 3 expectations which the students had. 3 expectations at a time. What these 3 expectations were? Keep the batch duration low. I am talking for quick revision batch only. Students wanted me to keep the duration low. I have kept it only as 18 hours, which is around, let us say, 10% of your regular batch, or just below 10% of regular batch. At the same time, students wanted me to cover the entire syllabus, right? Though duration should be low, but syllabus should be fully covered. And to keep the cost of this batch very low. These were the 3 expectations which student had. Now it was very tough time for me and very challenging for me to fulfill all the 3. So I've tried to cover almost entire syllabus through quick revision. I've kept the duration, as I said, very low of 18 hours, and kept the cost also very low, just 1,200 as compared to the cost of revision batch lectures. So I tried my level best to do the balancing between the above three, though they are contradictory expectations, but still I tried to do the balancing between them. Now it is your turn to give your best in the exam. I tried to do my best. So friends, I wish you best luck for your exam, and I sign off for today. Okay friends, see you as Chartered Accountant very soon.